This is a Tenways CGO600 Pro. What is up, my shredheads? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing the first ride and review of the Tenways CGO600 Pro. But before we get started on this video, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out that link down below for the Tenways CGO600 Pro. If Tenways isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. So this is the first time we've ever had such a stealthy e-bike like this on the channel. It doesn't have throttle at all on it. It doesn't have any gears. It does have a Gates carbon belt drive. It does have a torque sensor also. So this bike is made for you guys to work out with. Lightweight, easy to travel with, easy to carry, easy to put on a bike rack. And also having the Gates carbon belt drive, it's way less maintenance than any other regular e-bike. So in this video, we're going to be doing a quick overview and then we'll go straight to some speed tests. Maybe we'll take it on a little bit of grass riding, but we'll see about that. Make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video so you guys know my top 3 favorite things about this e-bike. The Tenways CGO600 Pro retails for $18.99. The CGO600 Pro comes in 4 different colors. This is the Pebble Gray. It also comes in avocado green, sky blue, and midnight black. The Tenways CGO600 Pro comes with a Mivis M080 350 watt rear hub motor. The display is a minimalist OLED display. It also comes with a Mivis C201 controller, and the torque sensor is also a Mivis or Myvice S200 torque sensor. The bike is powered by a 36 volt 10 amp hour lithium ion battery with LG cells. They claim a top speed of 20 miles an hour, and that's when the motor will stop assisting, but we'll see if we can push it past that. And they also claim a range of up to 53 miles. We also have front and rear fenders, and this bike is rated IPX4, so it's a little waterproof. You can definitely ride it when it's raining. The frame is made out of 6061 aluminum. The drivetrain is a Gates carbon belt drive. The tires are a CST puncture-proof 700C. The rims are 700C aluminum. Crankset is a Gates CDX crankset. The brakes are Tektro hydraulic disc brakes with 160 millimeter rotors, front and rear. The weight without the battery is 37 pounds and with battery is 41 pounds. Now that overview is done, let's get to the speed test. We are at a full 100% charge on this battery. This has 3 levels of pedal assist, so let's get the bike started. So the power button is right here on top. Just like that, and let's remove this sucker. Get out of there. Oh, nice and fresh. We have 0.2 miles on it, so I guess they did test it a little bit. It does say 98%, but when I took it off the charger was green. So we're gonna start in pedal assist 3. We're gonna go straight down this flat road and see how fast we go. So let's get started. All right, here we go. So starting off, you can definitely feel that torque sensor kicking in right away. And I'm pedaling super easy, and it's actually giving me nice easy speed. Oh wow, once I actually start pushing into it, it actually gets me up there. I'm gonna hold this in my hand and see how fast we can get. We are going on a slight uphill. 23, can we hit 25? Come on, we're gonna do 25 miles an hour. That's all I got, guys, that's it. 24.1 was my top speed in mode 3. Wondering if we can actually turn this bike up in the settings. We're gonna go down to mode 2 and see how fast we can get on that bad boy. See that little bit of wobbling on that front? Do you guys think? I checked the tire and it seems to be seated pretty properly, so I might have to check the spokes. Mode 2, top speed. It's crazy how easy it is to pedal this thing. Looks like we can still hit 20 miles an hour on this. Mode 2. Let's pop down to mode 1. Sorry guys, I normally have a phone mount, but I totally forgot it. Let's see, I'll tell you when the motor kicks off on me. I don't feel any more power there. Oh no, it's actually giving it to me there. So it looks like mode 1's about 20.7 miles an hour. We got a special guest, Dee Dee, is gonna be joining us for the rest of this ride, helping us shoot a little B-roll here and there. Of course, she's not on her zoos. All right, as I'm pedaling up this hill, it's actually pretty easy. It's not bad at all. That seating position is actually pretty comfortable. It's nice and straight up. It feels pretty good. But the real question is, guys, can this bike wheelie? Oh, yes. Sorry I didn't bring my spandex, guys. All All right, I always see these spandex riders riding around with no hands. I got to see if I can do it. So let's not hit a pothole or any kind of crack. So let's see. I feel like a spandex rider. Yeah. All right, guys, we're about 3 miles in, and this seat is definitely hurting my biscuits. So that's definitely one of the things I would swap out, maybe like a beach cruiser style seat for this thing. So 2.5 miles traveled, down to 90%. Dude, torque sensors are definitely where it's at. All right, here goes hill test, climb, hill test, hill. Here we go. Straight up, let's just push. How does it feel? Does it feel easy? Oh God, no, it feels really hard. Oh, no way. Nah, that was actually very, very hard. If this thing did have gears, it'd probably make it a lot easier than what that was. This is definitely made for the street, guys, but, oh my God. Oh yeah, this hurts my biscuits. Ow, oh. Definitely got to stand up for that. Oh, that was a big pothole. Oh, that was a gopher hole, not a pothole. But I gotta say, no matter what bike I'm riding through the grass, I'm still having a freaking blast doing it. Riding through, oh yeah, definitely missing suspension. I know this bike wasn't made for this, but we're gonna do it anyways. Oh my God. We're going down a small set of stairs. Oh. All right, we did it. Dude, guys, this bike was not meant to ride like that, okay? I'm just showing you what this thing is capable of. Nat Geo, gorgeous. So I just want you guys to see how pedaling this bike with power is with the Gates carbon belt drive. And now I'm gonna turn it off. Pedal assist 0. And this is pedaling the bike right now with no power at all. Kind of do wish we had gears, that way we have more options with pedaling the bike while it's powered off. But once we get into mode 3, nice and easy. Nice, good extension on your pedal. So this is definitely more of a city commuting style e-bike. I don't think you would bring this on one of those like long range type e-bike group rides, but if you want something super lightweight that you can actually carry around on a smaller car, like on the back of a rack, I think this bike is definitely the bike for you. Here's another good thing about having an e-bike. If your girlfriend or a friend doesn't have an e-bike and they're getting tired, you can give them a helping hand. So just like I do on all my videos and all my reviews, this bike may not be a bike for me that I would choose, but that's why I like to review all different style bikes, because not everyone likes the same exact style e-bike, like the moped style e-bikes I usually review on the channel. So if you did find this review helpful, definitely don't forget to drop a like. Bruh, 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 bruh. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. So let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of the Tenways CGO600 Pro? Let's see how many miles we got today on this review. We did 7 miles total pedaling, and we're down to 77% on the battery. Let me know down in the comments if you guys wanna see a full, I guess not full throttle, a full pedal range test on this bike. So my top 3 favorite things on the Tenways CGO600 Pro is number 1, the fact that it's super lightweight, so easy to travel with. Number 2 is the low maintenance of that belt drive. And the third thing I really loved about this bike is the stealthy look about it. So nobody's gonna know that this is an actual electric bike that can go 20 miles an hour on the trails. As always, if you want to support this channel, check out all those links down below. Check out that link down below for the Tenways CGO600 Pro. If Tenways isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. And as always, if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next ride. Oh. Definitely got to stand up for that. Oh, that was a big pothole.